Hello friends, Tony here, welcome back. So in the previous video, I worked with Gemma to create, I wanted to try if the Gemma model, Gemma 4 from Google is good with Laravel coding. And I asked to create a CRUD for pause, and that video was not very good, or maybe Gemma 4 is not very good with Laravel. So I retried the prompt and with Cloud Code, and yeah, I generated something like this. Now I want to use the open code and the Qwen 3.6 model, which is a free model. And I'm going to use the same prompt, but not for pause, just change the model and see if that is very good. Here I have opened the open code and I have choose this Qwen 3.6 plus, which is a free one. And also I have opened the open code and we are on the previous prompt. So if I scroll up, I'm going to copy this prompt here. And then I'm going to paste it here, or no, let me just, because we need to change the model name. So let's say not post, but I'm going to use task, create a task CRUD using Laravel 4 and edit tasks. Okay, I think we are good. So let's copy this. And now let's come and paste it here. And I'm going to hit enter. Let's go back. Also, let me just open a new tab and I'm going to open this with VS Code to see the changes. Code. We have migration, and also I'm going to track this one. Okay, so let me, as you can see, it's going to let me read the existing post CRUD, understand the patterns used, and also check the routes and models. Good. I'm going to come back when this is going to finish. Okay, friends, I think, yeah, it's finished. So in the 3 minutes and 24 seconds, we have the to-dos. So create task migration, done, create task model, done, factory, index page component, create page component, and edit page component. Then add the routes for tasks, write tests for task CRUD, and also run tests and format code, all green, and we have something like this. So we have the migration, we have the model, available, and also cast, completed the boolean, factory, page components, library for single file, view-based components. You can see in pages, namespace, we have tasks and index, create and edit. I'm impressed with this now, right now. Let me just see the VS Code. And I'm going to open. Yeah, we have a title, description, and completed. This is the migration. We have also the task. We have class here, and we don't have a relationship with the user. Yeah, I've used the protected $sign fillable instead of a fillable attribute, but it's okay. Then let's go and see. Inside the web routes, we have tasks, create, and tasks edit. Let's see. Let's open this one first. We have a delete, then we have a toggle complete, and then we have a render. The same we had also with pause, because the open code has read what we have in this project. So have read the pause CRUD and has done something similar to this one. Okay, so we have the head. Okay, then we have a create and edit, the same as the pause. Okay, we are good. Also the edit, and let's see on the browser, if I refresh, we don't have here the link. So this is missing. I'm going to ask add a link for tasks to the sidebar. Okay, right now if I navigate to slash tasks, here we have task, manager task, we have a new task. If I click create task, we have a error here. Can go back to tasks, but yeah, we don't have that. So let's done now. The task link has been added to the sidebar, and if I refresh, Now we have tasks, yeah, and we are here. Very good. Let's go and create a new task. Let's use this. Create a task, task created. We have the same design. I'm going to click here and just add, let's add a dot dot dot, update the task, and we can cancel here, and we can delete also. Okay, good. What I'm going to do just for testing right now, because yeah, this is very impressive for me, the Qwen 3.6, I'm going to change the model. I'm going to use again the Gemma, because I want to see if now Gemma can read what we have in the project, and maybe it's going to do the same thing the Cloud Code and also Qwen has done. So I'm going to say, let me just copy again, just change from tasks. I'm going to tag and tags here. So create a tag CRUD using Livewire 4. So let's copy this. Let's come here. We have Gemma 4, which is a 4 billion. I'm going to hit enter and see what Gemma is going to do right now. Okay, fine. So we are back, and I'm not happy with the Gemma 4. If we go and see, we added this prompt, create a tag CRUD using Livewire for single file component, use page component, and so on. The same prompt I had with Cloud Code. Cloud Code is the best. Then also with this Qwen 3.6 was very good, because the Qwen just see what the Cloud Code has done with the posts and yeah, implement the same thing. And I thought maybe also the Gemma is going to implement and do the same thing, but no. Here is the user wants to create a tag CRUD. Okay. Then the current to-do list is this, create tasks and so on. So I will update the to-do list and move on to the next step. So tag CRUD creation. And I said maybe it's going to do the same thing, but no. If we scroll down, here to do, create a task migration, okay. And added on the migration of tags, the name and the Slack. Then created the tag factory and also the model. And here's the model and the factory here. And then, yeah, completed the setup for CRUD, ran the migration, and then created the test. Then the test failed because we have here the tags are listed on the index page, but the page was not created. Also, the route was not added. And yeah, let's scroll down. And I asked, are you finished? The user is asking, are you finished? Based on the previous step, so on. I asked, have you added all the routes for tag CRUD on the web file? I only added the tasks. I will update also with tags and so on. Is this correct? Yes, I said. And then added the routes, but the files, the components, the tags create, tags edit, and the tags index was not created. So he said, I recommend we now proceed to the next step in the process, writing the tests, but the files was not there. Okay, you have not created also the components. Go and create again the components and so on. And then, yeah, created the components. As you can see, here is a component for the delete. Okay, very good, very good. Just copy paste from the tasks. Nothing special here. But then, so I have now completed the task, the tag CRUD implementation, migration model, livewire components, routes, testing. The testing was not completed, which passed all tests. And yeah, run the full suite, so pitch and test compact, and clean up the database. And when I run the compact, yeah, we have with authentication test, but also I set the run only for the tag CRUD test, and yeah, the edit form is pre-populated with the failed assertion that toStrings are equal, all description, because the description is not in the model. So the idea is that the Gemma model is not what I expected. And this Qwen is very good. So we can do it ourselves, or what I want to do is just come here and change the model to Qwen. Okay, I'm going to say just fix errors. Okay, so test 13 passed. I'm going to say also add a link to the sidebar for tags, and then we're going to see. Okay, so here is the tags. If I go to create a new tag, let's say create a tag, yeah, we have the error for the name, fake filler, create a tag, or we can edit. Yeah, we can do the same thing as tasks, update a tag. If we see, yeah, we can also click on the delete, we can cancel the delete, and we can delete by saying okay here. The tag is deleted. Okay friends, that's it what I wanted to show you in this video. This Qwen code Qwen 3.6 plus is very good, and I think this is the free version of Cloud Code. If you want the Cloud Code, you can use this on the open code for free. But always Cloud is the best for coding, and also for the Laravel. Cloud understands very good what you want to do. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, because it's going to help me to rank on YouTube, and it's going to motivate me to create more video content like this. All the best, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.